The 2019 Subaru Ascent comes standard with EyeSight registered trademark driver assist technology that includes automatic pre-collision braking, adaptive cruise control, lane departure and sway warning, pre-collision throttle management, and new EyeSight Assist Monitor, EAM, which provides a heads-up display of the EyeSight system warnings as well as system status information on the windshield of the vehicle. Blind spot detection with lane change assist and rear cross traffic alert are also available. Steering responsive headlights are standard unlimited and touring models. High beam assist automatically activates and deactivates the high beams when the system detects a vehicle ahead or oncoming vehicle. The 2019 Ascent also offers available reverse automatic braking that apply the vehicle's brakes if an obstacle is detected while reversing. Standard on the top-level touring trim is the new front view monitor that displays a 180-degree view of the front of the vehicle on the multi-function display by using a camera located in the front grille. Additional new driver assist technology standard on touring is the smart rear view mirror, which displays a view from behind the vehicle from a camera mounted above the rear gate glass. When activated, this feature benefits the driver in poor visibility to the rear of the vehicle due to passengers or cargo blocking the view. A rain-sensing windshield wiper system that automatically operates and monitors the wiper speed based on the amount of rainfall is standard on touring. The Subaru Ascent's new platform integrates the latest version of the Subaru ring-shaped reinforcement frame design, proven over nearly 2 decades to provide excellent occupant collision protection. Front-end structural details help bolster safety for pedestrians. Inside, the Ascent fills out its safety roster with the Subaru Advanced Frontal Airbags, a driver's knee airbag, standard front side pelvis torso airbags and side curtain airbags that offer front and rear outboard seat coverage. In emergency braking, brake assist immediately applies pressure up to the ABS limit to help increase braking effectiveness. The brake override system ensures that the engine power will be cut when the brake pedal and accelerator are pressed simultaneously.